How you doing? I'm TreniuS Henderson. You're tuned into the infamous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. So you want to command the universe using I am affirmations. Folks, I am affirmations are the most powerful way that you can literally control and command the whole universe. Well, not control, but definitely command and demand the universe. The reason why we are living our lives is to live it to the fullest. Some people wonder, how can I create the reality that I want? How can I do the things that I want to do without even having any money? How can I get from point A to point B? Folks, you can magically do that. And the way to do that is by using powerful I am affirmations. Man, just thinking back in my past, I've been privileged to be around people who today are very successful. And I think this had a lot to do with my journey, just, having the experience of, seeing what it's like to be around even famous people, like at a young age, that I didn't even know what was going on. I didn't even know what my life journey was gonna show me, like today. This is why you were going through this trend, is because I wanted to show you how powerful I am affirmations were. And I can remember these friends that I used to have who today are very successful. I can remember them saying things like, I'm going to be doing this, trainers. I am going to do that. I'm going to be doing this. I remember sitting in the classroom when I went to Art Institute of Atlanta. I was beside a big time super producer today. Today, he's a big time super producer, and he will always, tell me things like, I am going to be producing such and such track for such and such music artist. I am going to do this. I am going to, and I didn't get it. I did not get it. I did not get what my friends were like, implying to when they was applying these I am affirmations to the things that they were saying. But I noticed one thing about them. They were very, very confident. They were very confident in the things that they are going to do. I have another friend of mine who today is a big time radio host. He's a big time radio host here in my hometown. Back then, I remember us sitting in the car together, just chilling late at night, and he would say things like, I am going to be on the radio. I am going to be the biggest radio host in the city, in the city. And I would always be like, hey man, it didn't really hit me until I actually seen it actually happen. And so basically what I'm saying is I am is the most powerful affirmation, folks. I am basically activates God. Okay, growing up in the scriptures, growing up in the church, I can remember, a part in the scripture where there was a burning bush and Moses encountered this burning bush, and it was ironic for a bush to be burning. And then somewhere in the scriptures it said that the bush spoke, right? The bush spoke. The bush was God. The bush was the universe. And so the bush said, I am who I am, and that's God. So it's like when you say, I am going to do this, I am not this, I am not capable of doing that, I am going to be scared, I am going to take a trip to wherever you want to travel to, I am going to have a wife one day, I am going to bear children. When you keep saying this, you are commanding the universe, folks. You are literally commanding the universe. You might not see the universe move, but y'all know how slow the universe rotates, or not the universe, the world rotates. Let's say the world. Let's dumb it down a little bit. Y'all know how slow the world rotates, right? But somehow, mysteriously, nighttime always arrives no matter how slow the universe is rotating. You know what I'm saying? It always works. It always comes. Nighttime is always at our doorstep every single 24 hours, okay? And it's the same thing when you use the I am affirmations. You say these I am affirmations, you can attach I am to whatever you want to do, whatever you want to be in the present moment right now. And I can guarantee you, I don't know how much time it's going to take for whatever you want to manifest to actually manifest through the law of attraction. But I can 100%, 111% guarantee you that whatever you are applying to I am, you will become or you will get it. Trust me. Trust me, folks. That's why they say be careful of what you wish for, because the truth is you're gonna get it. Okay? Apply I am to anything. See, so many people are living life and they're not able to live the life that they want to live. They're not fulfilled. They're not happy. They don't have the amount of money they want to have, because they're not dreaming. They're not dreaming. They're not saying, I am going to do this. Even though the situation sucks, even though the situation that they're facing is not what they want to be facing, so many people is just still held down by the situation that they're facing. Like, they're basically believing in the illusion of them not having the things that they can't have. They see things around them going wrong, so they're like, okay, it's not going to happen because this is going wrong. This is going wrong. It's not happening because you're not using I am affirmations to speak over your reality. Okay? I always say, folks, life in reality is like a canvas. Your tongue is the paintbrush. You paint on it. You paint on it. You keep painting on it and painting on it, and then you will see your manifestation come into reality. You will see another manifestation come in reality about something that you said maybe 2 weeks ago. But you have to live your life. You have to live your life present tense. You have to live your whole life speaking things. That's what it's all about. You've been speaking things all your life, and things have been coming to pass. Everything that you speak comes to pass. You speak it, it comes to pass. You ain't gonna see it right now, but you keep speaking it, it's gonna come to pass. That's gonna come to pass. Then you're gonna start speaking something else, then that's gonna come to pass, because you're gonna start seeing the power of I am working. You're gonna start to realize, man, I'm literally commanding the universe. That's what it made me so confident on my journey throughout the years. Okay, that's what made me so confident. I am going to be a great vlogger. I am good in front of the camera. Once upon a time, before I actually started this vlog, this YouTube channel, you could not get me in front of the camera because I was so shy and I was so timid as to like what people would think about me. I could never voice my opinion and talk the way I talk now and show my true colors and be my true self and show my divine nature. I could never show anybody this, but I just kept saying, I am going to be good at talking in front of people on the camera. I am a good speaker. You know, Lord knows I don't have the best rhetoric. You know, I don't speak grammatically correct all the time, but I am going to give a good presentation. I am going to be the CEO. I am going to have my own business. I am going to be able to stop working and do my dream job. I am going to be a great florist. I am going to be a great mechanic someday. I am the greatest basketball player. I am rich. I am wealthy. I am a millionaire. I am the best. How many believe it? Do you believe it? Speak up, let your voice be heard below. Leave a comment and say, I believe it. I believe it. Whatever you want to be, wherever you want to go, whatever you want to do, apply I am to it. Just say, I am. Just say, I am. Whatever you want to apply to I am right now, apply it in the comment section below. Write it out in stone, folks, so you can send a message to the universe that you are going to be what you want to be. You're going to do what you're going to do. You're going to have the amount of money you want to have. I am a six-figure dude. You know, I am a multi-millionaire. I am rich. I am wealthy. And I can guarantee you, folks, speaking these I am affirmations, I can guarantee you it's going to come to pass. It's going to come to pass. But like I said, so many people do not do this and they do not get results in their life. Don't be like these people. Let's start speaking over your reality. Today will be a great day. You will have a wonderful day. I am telling you today will be a great day for you. I am telling you that, and it's going to come to pass, right? Thank y'all so much for tuning in, folks. This is how you command the universe. It's waiting to be commanded and demanded. The universe. You have all power over your reality. Command it. Tell the universe what you want. I am going to do this. I am going to do that. And I can guarantee you it shall come to pass. Okay? Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm TreniuS Henderson of the infamous Living Room Network. Make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking my face icon up there. Hit the bell notification so that you can be notified every time I upload new videos every single day. You don't want to miss a video. Also, if you need me as your life coach, folks, if you need some type of advice, you need me to help you out with a relationship, you need me to help you get over something, whatever the case may be, folks, that's what I do on a regular basis. Get in contact with me, send me an email. My email is at the very top of the comment section below this video. I'll see you in the next video. I am